Black cat creeping through the forest. Hey there, bumpy toe, jump aside. Black cat sneaking through the forest. A vulture circles the sky. Black cat creeping through the forest. Hey there, bumpy toe, jump aside. Black cat sneaking through the forest. A vulture circles the sky. She crawls by the spiders, hides from the bats. The coyote won't find her 'cause she's dressed in black like that. And when the full moon rises to beam a dreamy glow, she goes to sleep so she can sneak and prowl and creep tomorrow. Black cat lurking in the forest, barely making a sound. Black cat prowling in the forest, waiting for a moment to pounce. Black cat lurking in the forest, barely making a sound. Black cat prowling in the forest, waiting for a moment to pounce. She crawls by the spiders, hides from the bats. The coyote won't find her 'cause she's dressed in black like that. And when the full moon rises to beam a dreamy glow, she goes to sleep so she can sneak and prowl and creep tomorrow. Black cat, black cat, black cat.
For every morning that I rise and I am showered by your smiles, oh yeah. For every night I got too near, tears dry out, clouds disappear, yeah. For every hour that we share, two explorers of nowhere, oh no. The secret codes in your eyes, the crazy laughter and the cries, oh yeah. And I thank you for the leather fans, the kisses and the smiles. And I thank you for being the best part of my life. And every time that things go wrong, you pull me up, I come back strong, oh yeah. Cause popes and kings have come and gone, but we're still going on a road, yeah. You heal my mind and blessed my soul, touched my heart and made it whoa, yeah. So I thank you for the leather fans, the kisses and the smiles. And I thank you for being the best part of my life. And I thank you for the leather fans, the kisses and the